Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the 0xc00007b error. Now, this error is a very common error among games and other applications, right? I'm going to show you a couple of methods on how to fix it. Now, let's go with the first method, which is CMD. Now, on CMD here, command prompt, you want to type in run as administrator, click on yes, and then type in this exact command, sfc/scan now. Now let's wait for it to scan. Now, hopefully this scan will fix our issue, but if it doesn't, let's just wait for it to run in the background. Meanwhile, I'm just going to show you another method to help fix this. The first one is to install something called Microsoft Visual++, right? Microsoft Visual plus C++ like this. Now, click on this link. Now on here, you want to scroll down and then you want to download one of these, right? So the reddish one. If your architecture is 64-bit, so of course, download this one. Download this, you can see. Now let's just wait for it to download. Another one is to download something called DirectX, like this, right? Click on this, DirectX. Click on download. Now these two will help fix our error, right? So DirectX will fix some of the DLL errors that you may have, and VC Redis x64 is a common library to run games, right? So first off, let's do Redis here. Let's click on run. Let's click on repair, click yes, and now let's wait for this to finish. Of course, now let's go direct as well. Click on yes, accept the agreement, next. Don't install this. This is very unwanted software. That's not worth it. So make sure this is unchecked. Click on next. And then we have three things installing right now. So DirectX, Microsoft Visual C++, and then also the scan here. Now you can see the scan is complete. You can see did not find any integrity violations. So we're all good. The Microsoft C++ one is installing as well. And this one is initializing as well. Let's wait for it to finish. Now, with both of these installation complete, you should be able to resolve your error. All you have to do now is to restart your computer. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.